Hey everyone, it's me, Vari Safari, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make ginger shots. So first you're going to need a blender, a cutting board, knife, and ginger root, water, cinnamon, paprika, tangerine, lime, a sifter, and a measuring spoon. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is cut the ginger into slices. The slices are going to be about 1 inch apart. Then you're going to go ahead and get the tangerine and you're going to go ahead and cut it into half. You can also use an orange as well. Then you're going to get the lime and you're going to go ahead and cut it in half. You can also use a lemon as well. Now you can go ahead and just add your sliced ginger into your blending cup. Go ahead and add your water into your blending cup. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika. You can also use cayenne pepper if you want it a little more spicy. Go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon as well. This is a preference. Now go ahead and squeeze your tangerine or orange into the cup. Now you're going to do the same thing with your lime and go ahead and add both. You can do lemon as well. Go ahead and pop that lid onto your blender cup and make sure it's secured. Go ahead and blend all the ingredients for 1 minute. Now go ahead and add all the blended ingredients into the sifter to make sure that the pulp does not get into any of your ginger shots or your ginger juice. Press the ingredients down so that way you get as much juice as possible. Now go ahead and pour your ginger juice into a shot glass, or you can do it in a cup. Cheers everyone!